The India International Science Festival 2024 drew to a close on December 3rd after a successful 4-day run from November 30th. IIT-Guwahati was chosen as the venue to host the 10th edition of this esteemed event. IISF 2024 was inaugurated on November 30th, marking the beginning of a grand celebration aimed at reviving India's rich scientific heritage and fostering global collaborations. The ceremony was attended by esteemed dignitaries including Dr. Jitendra Singh, India's Minister of State for Science and Technology, and Dr. Himant Biswa Sarma, Chief Minister of Assam. Senior officials from various scientific departments and institutions of the Indian government also graced the occasion. The inauguration also witnessed the launch of the India Science, Technology and Innovation Portal, a significant initiative to promote scientific advancements. The festival was organized in collaboration with the Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Earth Sciences and Vigyan Bharati, with CSIR and IIST serving as the nodal institution. The India International Science Festival 2024 was held under the theme Transforming India into an S&T-driven global manufacturing hub, aligning with the Viksit Bharat mission. This 4-day science extravaganza brought together a diverse group of around 8,000 participants, including renowned scientists, industrialists, startups, researchers and experts from India and abroad.
We have realized the areas to be prioritized to give priority under the manufacturing sector, by means of which India will become the global manufacturing hub in the coming times. So whatever is required from academia, whatever is required from research lab, whatever is required from industry, we should take the responsibility of offering it, by means of which the objective of this IISF will take its meaning in the coming times.
The festival also drew a large student crowd with over 10,000 students from various schools and colleges attending the event.
10,000 people yesterday visited, apart from totally 7,000 registration, another 3,000 outside people are visited. You look at their mind, what will think, yes, we can also do something on the science. We can use the science to new innovations. We can convert that innovation into the business model. So all these things may happen, and a lot of people from the Northeast, they may think to move on pursuing the science as their career.
The festival featured an array of attractions, including a captivating exhibition on Chandrayaan, Museum of the Moon, a showcase of India's technological advancements, and a Reimagining Bharat exhibition that offered a glimpse into India's future. Another major highlight of the festival was the Northeast Food Street, which treated visitors to a rich cultural experience featuring traditional cuisine and music from the northeastern region of India. The 4-day festival featured an array of engaging events, including workshops, interactive sessions, and panel discussions, which facilitated direct interactions between the public and the Indian scientific community. Key highlights included Vision Sansad, a conclave of scientific institutional leaders, Science Safari, an innovative platform that merged science with games and adventure, and a roundtable conference focused on positioning India as a global manufacturing hub. Other notable attractions included the Student Science and Technology Village, which showcased cutting-edge projects and ideas, and the Reimagining Bharat exhibition, which offered a glimpse into India's future through science and technology. These events collectively succeeded in captivating the audience's interest in science and technological advancements, while proudly showcasing India's illustrious scientific heritage.